Hello everyone, it is me, Video Central on Tuesday 4. Now today, if you saw that I found it video, I'm reviewing the Metal Max Tornado Yo-Yo. Now I've taken it out of the box, I played with it for a bit. I know pretty much everything about it, I've gotten used to it. So yeah, let's begin. Now, as you know, I've mastered past the Battle Spin Yo-Yo, meant for literal 2-year-olds. I have mastered the level 2 Beast Wrangler. I might do the Lightstorm one, because I really want the Lightstorm. It has lights and it has hub stacks, which is pretty good for a yo-yo. I mastered the level 2, the level 3. Most faster in both Imperial and Butterfly, and I haven't mastered the Vortex Spin yet, but now I've come close to being at least decent with the Metal Max Tornado. Now the Metal Max Tornado is the only metal yo-yo in the Blazing Team line. Why are you still here, boy? I moved you like 10 minutes ago. What? But this is the only metal yo-yo that claims to be the highest performing yo-yo in the entire Blazing Team line. And if you look at it, it looks pretty decent. I can do all sorts of tricks like the elevator. The lock the baby. Not really good. And since this is, for me at least, it's unresponsive, you have to do the bind to bring it back up. 1 second, guys. We have to do the bind to get it back up. 1 second. Yeah. This is what the bind looks like. You basically take your spinning yo-yo to this, and then this. Like I'll show you from the photo angle. Slow it down, take it up about this way, so do this, and then this. And if you look, I'll show you, like, it doesn't come up with just a normal pop tug, so you have to do the bind trick every time. Now I have realized another thing, if you do not want the giant hub stacks like this, let's see. 1 second. You can grab the yo-yo and stuff like that. You spin freely. If you don't like those because they make too much noise and they're kind of bad, you can take them off and make it just a normal, like, metal yo-yo. So that's what I usually do because I don't like the hub stacks very much. I've grown out of them. But it does make it look like a lot more full and, like, protects the yo-yo because, like, I was yo-yoing with it and I actually hit the ground and left these marks. But now the yo-yo will vibrate sometimes if you don't throw it very good. And it'll always go to the side if you don't throw it very good. But I pretty much learned to control this. I can almost do the man on the flying trapeze. And I can almost do the Eli Hops trick. So we've gotten a little better. Now, I've done so many around the worlds with this. Like, I've done, like, I just bind it back up. I don't know how to do a side bind yet. I barely learned how to do man on the flying trapeze. So I've mastered a lot of like the I want to see if I can do something I like to call the Texas Star. Okay, so you basically like take it down just like Texas Star. Oh wow, that's not even close. Close enough. But yeah, my final verdict for this, for the Metal Max Tornado, is it's a pretty good yo-yo. And with the Hubstex, it's only like $30. Which people are like, oh, that's crazy. But a lot of other yo-yos like this are like $100. Luckily, Aldi's a pretty nice company. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. If you want more videos like this, press that subscribe button and you'll be notified whenever I make a new video. Now, as always, like if you like this video, comment if you have something to say, share if this video is enjoyable, and peace.